And this is when you get the professionals involved. That's what we want to see. So this is just a wider first cut system we're trying. There's more to take off the far end. Haven't got the rungs pre-drilled yet, so you can see they're just bare profile, but they'll be pre-drilled. And then using the brackets have fixed into this end of the log. If you look down it, actually we could probably pull the right hand side up fractionally, which we'll do in a sec. You can quite clearly see how level it is. When you actually look down the profile itself, you should find it looks quite flat. And then this little bracket here is just used to lift up the middle, support the middle. You can adjust the mill here quite easily. It's all toolless. So I'll adjust him up to 10 inches there. Tighten that up there. You can offer that up again. And now, so you're going to undercut those So it's pretty, we can't film much more because it's pouring a rain, but this is the ideal thing with this mill, because even though it's raining, you can very quickly and easily adjust the height. So we're going to go down to 3 inches for this bit.
That is a big improvement.
So you're not having to fiddle around, and there you go, height's adjusted from 10 inches to 3 inches, and particularly on the longer mills, that makes life a lot easier. So unfortunately we can't film at the moment any cutting, because it's too wet, but at least you know it's been used in
But the
situ.
sun will come out soon.
That's it, sir. Yes, sir.
A bit sycamore, you might.
Turn-wise, yeah. And I've got a table now made of, you know, that job lot of sycamore you gave me.
Got some nice rippling.
But that's the frame. I made the frame out of that.
You can see the grooves are probably where I've sharpened the chain a bit aggressively. It should be a little bit smoother.
You know the big piece of sycamore I took?
Yeah.
That was allocated to somebody
Do you want this one, Paul? Would you